Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shahzad and today we will start another exciting video. So it's related to cybersecurity. We are going to install SecurityOnion on ESXi server. I will make one virtual machine and then we will start installation SecurityOnion. So let's go. Before going to installation, the new guys who is gonna see this video, I would like to give them an introduction regarding the SecurityOnion. Like if somebody say what is SecurityOnion, so you can easily describe that SecurityOnion is an open source, Linux based open source, which you can do threat hunting, you can use security monitoring, and as well as you can use it as a log management. So these major features of SecurityOnion, and it's the best thing is it's totally free, and it's an open source like Linux open source. So let's go and start the installation. For making a virtual machine, I'll go on my vCenter. I will use this one because I have enough resources here. So for a SecurityOnion virtual machine, for like your testing and home lab, I would suggest if you have enough resources, so minimum you must go for virtual machine as a 4 CPUs, virtual CPUs, and minimum 8 GB RAM. So that would be great. So let's go and start. So I will create a virtual machine here. Right click and new virtual machine. I'll choose new virtual machine and I will click next. I will give a name SecurityOnion test 1. Okay, it will go into my list. Next. Okay, same ESXi server. I have enough resources on this one. I will use this one. Next. Okay, so here I have to choose my data store. The data store, which I can see I have a much free space on this one. So I will use data store 02. Okay, compatibility is okay. Here I will choose Linux and I will use Ubuntu. Can use others, but Ubuntu is recommended. We will go for Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, next. Okay, I will choose 4 CPUs and 8 GB of RAM, and I will use 100 GB of hard disk. It depends on your logs, how much it's growing. So you can choose the hard disk on that, and CPU and RAM as well, obviously. But our test environment, this is enough for me. We'll go next, and then we'll go finish. It will do 100%, and then okay, our test onion machine is ready, which is here. Second thing, you have to go on your the Google, just type here SecurityOnion and you will see a one website, securityonion.net. You have to click here and it will take you on the website. In this website you have to click on the download and it will take you to the download options here. So we will come here, ISO image. So I have downloaded this ISO image, which is already I have uploaded on my data store. So how to upload data store? You have to go on your ESXi server, go to data stores and right click of any data store wherever you want to upload. I will go browse and I will upload the image ISO from here, and I can choose my image and I can open and it will go 100% and upload it. So I have already uploaded here. So I will start installation now. So first I will go here and then we'll start right to mount the ISO. I will right click, edit settings, and here I will go on my DVD. Here data store ISO files, it will bring us here. Okay, this one. SecurityOnion. Okay, and I will choose connect at power on. Okay, so image is also mounted. So let's go and start the virtual machine power. I'll start. Power is started. I will go and choose. So first option you have to choose boot SecurityOnion. So I will go and hit enter. It will take a little time to boot up. I will pause my video until it's booting up. So then I'll come back. Okay guys, it's completed and came into first screen. In the first screen, you can see it's automatically here and give us a graphic. So we have here install SecurityOnion 6 point. So I will go double click on this. It will take time to start installation. It will give us a new screen. Let's go. Yep. It's taking a time. It's already running on the back. Okay, so it will bring you on the screen to start installation. So we'll choose English, next, continue. Okay, so here we'll choose install the third party, this one or that one. So we will, the server times after installation download. If you have a direct, you can download, install the third party software for graphic and what. No need, nothing here. We'll go continue. Okay, erase the disk and install SecurityOnion. Install now. It will start installation. Yeah. Yes, continue. Okay, choose your time. So we will go here. Dubai. See, I know where it is. Okay, next. Choose your keyboard. We'll go for as it is. Okay. Let's go my graphics bit. I will choose. My screen is bit, Okay, I will do little this side so you can choose. Okay, keyboard settings. Continue. Okay, here you have to give your name, username and password. Okay, I can use the username. Your name will be the main login name. I'll go for Shehzad. Okay, you picked my name also as a username. Password. Retype the password. Okay, so we'll go continue. Okay, it will start installation. It is copying the file now on local drive because it was booted first time from direct from the image in the CD, which we mounted into virtual machine. So actually this one installation have a 4 parts. So first part will complete and the second part will start to configure your network and other stuff. And maybe it will go for restart as well. Okay, I'll pause the video until it's copying the file, and when it's already go to the next step, I will come back and we will continue from here. Okay, so it's almost finished copying file. So after this, it will restart, and what we will do, we will choose boot from hard disk. So right now, it's transfer all the file to the hard disk, and then it after the installation it will start from hard disk. So let's wait for the installing the system, and when the system is installed, and I'll come back again. Okay, it's running the other installation files and managing up all the things. Okay, opening installation file, and it's asking for restart. So I will restart now. Okay. Okay, it's restarted. It has failed to unmount the drive. So drive I can unmount, no issues. Okay, it's already disconnected, no issues. So we are here. So now it will boot from okay, and press enter. Remove the installation media and press enter. We have already disconnected. Okay, now it's asking to SecurityOnion, this one, and we will do next. So it will start now for loading the files, and then after logging in, we'll do our the part 2 for network configurations and other things. Okay, so first page, again remember we gave our username and password. I will use my username and password and login. Okay, so now we are already here. To configure the system, please double click this setup. So this is the setup. It will just wait, so let it boot fully. Okay, so now we are here. We'll go on this setup. We'll double click. Okay, and give a password. Okay, Okay, these all the things we would like to configure. Yes, continue. Okay, so first of all, our interface, I said yes, I would like to configure my interface. Said you only have one interface which will be configured as a management interface. Okay, static, yes, we'll give a static IP. Okay, enter a static IP. I will go 192.168.100 and I have reserved for this 51 is my IP address. Okay, my subnet mask 0 and the gateway. Okay, after giving this, it is asking for any DNS. If you have, okay, just give a DNS. Yes, I have. 102 is my domain controller and DNS server. Enter your local domain example, homelab.local. Okay, so this is the our all the settings. So it will ask for yes if it is all okay. So press the summary to go for yes, make the changes. So after making the changes, yes, make the changes, and it will ask for reboot. Yes, we will go for reboot. Okay, enter. If you leave some seconds, it will automatically start booting. Now after this, the second part, it will go for third part. Either you're gonna choose this software as evaluation or as a production. So we will go for a production mode to get the maximum output, sorry, from the system. Okay, back here. I'll give my credentials, login. Okay, saying to continue second phase for setup, we have to run again. Okay. I'll give a password. Okay. Yes. Skip the network settings. We already done. Okay. So we are here on the third step now. So I'll go for my production. Okay. And now it will ask for which one you would like to use. Do you want to build a new security variant deployment or add an existing? If you choose new, this machine will be the master server. So it's a new. Okay. Okay. You can create other username later using user adds. Let's create our first user account. We can say user one. Okay. You can change the password later or set the password for first user. Okay. Okay, confirm the password for first user. Okay. Okay, so here is like practice or custom. best practices for our. If you would like to use the best practice default, please select best practices. If you would like to see all options, choose. We will go for best practices. Okay. Okay, so here we'll choose open source. Okay. Okay, same. Enable network sensor services. Yes. Okay. Okay, would you like to be sing for this one? Is also okay. All the VLANs. Okay. Okay. Home and other customs. Leave it as it is. Okay. Log file locally. Yes. Okay. How much disk space do you want to give for logs? So we have chosen 100. So I will go for 60 maybe. Okay. Yes, proceed with the changes. Okay. It will take a time and then fix the changes. When it's completed, I'll come back. Okay, it came here after configuring the things. Security setup is now completed. Set up the log found. Okay. Click OK. And then we'll go OK. This one is also OK. Please note that the local firewall has been locked down. Blah blah. The port connection is 22. Okay. Okay. Just okay stuff. SecurityOnion, interesting trainings and blah blah things. Okay. And here you go. This is our SecurityOnion here. Is completed. So what is the options now? We have a squirrel. If you go, we can set up the cabana, and other things we can do here. So I will go and come back to meet you in the next video.